हॅलो, हाय, गुड इव्हनिंग. सॅमसन गोम्स. आज आपण बीसीबीएच्या साइट विजिट, व्हर्च्युअल साइट विजिट इथे आपण भेटत आहेत. आज आपले अजूनपर्यंत 3 व्हर्च्युअल साइट विजिट कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत. 47 बॅक टू बॅक एव्हरी मंथ मीटिंग झालेले आहेत, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपले कोविड मध्ये ऑनलाईन पण कंप्लीट केलेले आहेत. 12 वेबिनार कंप्लीटेड आहेत. So we have secluded site visit, webinar आणि मंथली मीटिंग. ह्याच्यात सर्वांना मॅक्झिमम बेनिफिट घेतात सर्वजण आणि सर्वांनी मॅक्झिमम बेनिफिट घेतले आहेत. सो आपण आपली मीटिंग पहिल्याप्रमाणे प्रेयरने चालू करून देवाचा आशीर्वाद घेऊया. डेव्हिड डिमॉन्टे हे आपल्यासाठी प्रेयर म्हणतील. डेव्हिड.
Arpan sir, he is traveling.
But I am now.
Yeah, okay. I'll take the prayer. I'll take the prayers. आपण प्रार्थना करूया. हे प्रेमळ पित्या, आम्हा वसईतील सर्व ख्रिश्चन व्यावसायिकांना बसित ख्रिश्चन बिझनेस असोसिएशनच्या नावाने एकत्रित केल्याबद्दल आम्ही तुझे आभार मानतो. आमच्या असोसिएशनच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांना तू दूरदृष्टी आणि कृपा दे. त्यांना आलेल्या संकटावर मात करून सभासदांना चांगल्या तऱ्हेने मार्गदर्शन व प्रेरणा द्यावी म्हणून कृपा दे. हे प्रभू येशू, तुझ्या नावाने सभासदांनी ख्रिस्ती मूल्यानुसार एकजुटीने एकमेकांसाठी व्यवसाय संधी निर्माण करून मदत करावी व व्यावसायिक समृद्धी बरोबरच आमची आध्यात्मिक प्रगती व्हावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा आम्हास आहे. हे पवित्र आत्म्या, आमच्या भावी पिढीतील मुलांना आम्ही आदर्श बनावेत. आमच्या व्यावसायिक कार्याद्वारे वसईची व सर्व सभासदांची उत्तरोत्तर प्रगती व्हावी अशी प्रार्थना आम्ही तुझ्याकडे करतो. या आमच्या स्वर्गीय बापा, तुझे नाव पवित्र मानले जाओ, तुझे राज्य हो, जसे स्वर्गात तसेच पृथ्वीवरही तुझ्या इच्छेप्रमाणे हो. आमची दररोजची भाकर तू आज आम्हास दे. जसे आम्ही आमच्या अपराध करणाऱ्यांना क्षमा करतो तसेच तूही आमच्या अपराधांची क्षमा कर. आम्हाला मोहात पडू देऊ नकोस, पण वाईटापासून आम्हाला सोडव. आमेन.
थँक्यू हरमन सर. देवाचा आशीर्वाद नंतर आपला बीसीबीएची जर्नी कुठून चालू केली ना कुठपर्यंत आपण आलेलो आहोत ह्याचं पूर्ण इंट्रोडक्शन हरमन डिसूजा आपल्याला देतील.
थँक्यू सॅमसन. बसिन ख्रिश्चन बिझनेस असोसिएशन registered as Basin Christian Foundation. We formed and commenced working in September 2016. Now it is September 2020 and I'm very happy to announce that we have completed 4 years of our existence. So everybody can unmute themselves for 2 seconds and give a big round of applause for yourselves, for everyone, and for BCBA. So let us congratulate ourselves that we have completed 4 years successfully. We are registered for charitable purposes under the Societies Registration Act. We are a non-profit organization, non-religious, non-political group. Our objective is to unite Christian business persons and to create possibilities of self-employment for the society. Any Christian person with existing business or an aspiring businessman or a student for a desire for business can apply for the membership. Currently, we have 300 plus registered members. Registration is possible on the website. We have a website www.bcba.co.in register. So all details are available on the website, including the account details of our company, of our group organization. We have had monthly networking meetings for members, almost 47 monthly meetings completed. Not a single meeting we have missed, not even in lockdown. We immediately started having online Zoom meetings, and today also we are continuing till the lockdown is officially over. We have webinars and knowledge sharing sessions on every Friday lined up continuously. We as members have given a slot for member presentation open to any member. He can book priorly to any member, to the working committee. You can call up and you can contact and book a slot for member presentation. You can book a slot for virtual site visits. We have discounts. We have a sense of belonging to BCBA. Once a member of BCBA, I say we by default are committed to give a fellow membership an opportunity on priority basis. Thank you, Samson. Thank you. Over to you.
निलेश, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. आता आपण आपल्या पार्टिसिपेंट्सचं इंट्रोडक्शन घेऊया. आज जे पार्टिसिपेंट्सने रजिस्टर केले त्यांचं इंट्रोडक्शन. दिस इज फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ एव्हरीवन. तुम्हाला तुमच्या पार्टिसिपेंट मध्ये बिझनेस देण्यासाठी कोणाला इंटरेस्ट असेल किंवा बिझनेस घेण्यासाठी इंटरेस्ट असेल, तुम्ही इथे बघून नोट डाऊन करू शकता. हरमन डिसोजा, हरमन होम्स, सॅमसन गोम्स, डोर्स अँड मोर, निलेश मिनेजिस, NM कन्सल्टिंग, डेव्हिड डिमॉन्टे, गिविंग बेस्ट सोल्युशन्स, बेस्टी रुबेन, इमिग्रेशन अँड एज्युकेशन सर्व्हिसेस, कॉलिन सिक्वेरा, डिसोजा's बेस्ट होम्स, ब्रॉन डाबरे, Cornerstone Financial Planning and Advisory Services, Julian Sequeira, Gushing Waters, Glenn Mascarenhas, Leather and Leather Gifts and Promotions, Jocelyn Nunes, Creative Station, Salome Tender and Spices, Raymond Colasso, Ray Foods, Leon Pereira, SP Engineering Works, Dominic Castellino, Star Electronic Concepts, Rajesh Rodriguez, MR Packaging and Business Services, Steven D'Souza, Weddings and more, Steiner D'Souza, Aspiris Management Systems Private Limited, Michael Lopez, Rebecca Ventures. आज आपले इथे जे गेस्ट आलेले आहेत, जे फर्स्ट टाइम आलेले आहेत, कोण कोण सेकंड थर्ड टाइम आलेले आहेत, त्यांचं पण आपण स्वागत करूया. डायगो डिसोजा, ओलॅप इंजिनियर्स अँड कन्सल्टंट्स, सॅन्ड्रा अल्मेडा, विवा कॉलेज, अनिल ग्रेशियस, बसिन फ्लेवर्स. गेस्ट जे आलेले आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी एक नम्र विनंती, तुम्हाला समज इंटरेस्ट असेल नेटवर्किंग करून मॅक्झिमम बिझनेस घ्यायचा असेल तर तुम्ही नेटवर्किंग मीटिंग पण अटेंड करा. त्याने तुम्हाला समजले जाईल की नेटवर्किंगने काय बेनिफिट होईल आणि नेटवर्किंग कसं करायचं. हे आहे आपल्या आजच्या गेस्ट आणि मेंबर्स. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. पार्टिसिपेट इंट्रो झाले. आता जे आज ओके निलेश, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, Julian Sequeira, cut copy paste. Today is the 4th virtual site visit, a factory visit of cut copy paste. Unique by name, unique by business, and unique by face look. Julian Sequeira, he will give us insights and more insights of his business and how you can use it. So over to Julian Sequeira.
Hi, good evening. So before introducing myself, I just want to show my card. This is my visiting card. So the name, if you go by the name, cut, copy, paste. So cut means laser cutting, copy means laser engraving, and pasting means gift manufacturing. We are located at Greece, near Greece Talao. I'll start the presentation by one of our products, which is having a, if all can see, is having a superb quote written on it, engraved on it rather. This is a cake topper. Life is tough, but so you are. You all know because of Corona, because of the lockdown, a lot of people have suffered in a big way. Starting with the quote, I'll just take you through my factory. This is the opening board. You can see it's on the road. This is the whole factory look. As we go in, Here is my designer, Hitesh. Hitesh, please say hello.
Hi.
So the designing is going on. The whole stock of the material. So we deal in acrylic, MDF, cloth, papers, leathers, etc. So we do some stock of acrylic and MDFs. So these are my gladiators. We have a 3x2 machine, a laser cutting and laser engraving machine. Here is my operator Swapnil. So hi. Say hi. So he also looks at my other business prospects. We have just here is another gladiator, a 4x3 laser cutting machine. Here we are currently cutting a grill which is installed in the ceiling. As you can see, we have taken a 12 battery backup just to give the commitment. If any time there is a power failure, we'll see to it that with this kind of backup, we'll complete the whole project in given stipulated time. Here are some of my products. So here you can see this is a candle stand. Candle stand which is profoundly used for Diwalis and for Christmas. This is one of my products. These are the cake toppers. So home bakers and the cake lovers all currently take it from us. These are the samples for ceiling grills. So we do a lot of ceiling grills which have been installed in ceiling as well as partitions, wall partitions for temples.
Julian?
Yeah.
Practically, your video is slower than what you speak.
I can hear you.
So you also go slow a little bit. Okay?
Okay.
Slow and steady.
Yeah. This is a trophy. If you can see, we have made it in two different materials. One is a golden acrylic, another one is black acrylic. It is done by pasting. We can also engrave in glass. If you can see the product, a face of a child is engraved. You do a lot of keychains and cake stands. If you can see, these are the cake stands which currently we are marketing. A unique engineering wherein you can dismantle the cake stand and you can do it. I'll just do a small demo for you. Here you go. You are ready to cut a cake. We are launching this particular product at a very, very reasonable price so that everyone has that special feeling of cutting a cake. And at the same time, if we personify a cake, I feel that cake is a king and all people around it are, it is a center of attraction. So I have named that particular stand as the throne. The throne, the cake stand. This is a plotter, 4-feet plotter wherein we cut vinyl. A lot of glass vendors use this. Here we have Monu. Say hi. He's my delivery boy as well as the production person. There's a small office. These are the things that we do. I'll take you to the presentation as well. These are the materials that we are currently dealing with. I think yes, we can now. We can now start with the presentation. Melissa? Hello?
Yes, Julian.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you make it in presentation view? So everybody knows what Abrios were and Abrios is. So Abrios was headed by Rajesh Diabrio, and as my primary business was Gushing Waters, which is an event company, and due to lockdown, it happened that it came in blessing in disguise that we acquired Abrios, and we have reintroduced Abrios as, next slide. Cut, copy, paste. A common name wherein everybody can remember what cut, copy, paste is. But yes, we don't copy. We definitely innovate what we want to give to the client. Cut, copy, paste practically means cut is laser cutting, which I've already said. Copy is laser engraving, and paste is gift manufacturing. So anytime now you use this term, you should definitely get a reminder that yes, it's a laser cutting company. Next slide, please. So basic introduction. We are a non-metal laser cutting, laser engraving, and gift manufacturing process fabrication company. We fabricate in acrylic, MDF, wood, Korean, mirrors, paper, leather, glass, and vinyl. We are total 4 as a team member, and the total machines is 2. Next slide, please. So as you have seen, both the gladiators, one is Samnite and the other one is Tarex. Why have I named them? It's like I get that personal touch with my machines. I have named both the machines, and as they do a lot of cuttings and chopping. That's the reason I have called them as gladiators. So that's how I operate. If you can see on Tarex, you can see that a jeans is already been engraved. So later in the slides, you can even see actual engraving, the finishing of that particular jeans. Next slide, please. So basically, we as we are into laser cutting, a lot of people come with a lot of good ideas, and they take a lot of pride in making their products or their prototypes. So we make a lot of products out of which I just showcase some of them. So first is acrylic profiles. The profiles are always needed in a lot of companies or maybe agencies or sports academies. So we will help you make very good profiles. We have already made one for Salome. If Salome can agree. Is Salome there? Next slide, please.
No, thank you.
Yes, so this is the engraving, this is the level of finishing that we give in engraving. So if you have your own trophies or if you want to put something in wood, so we don't cut wood, but we can help you to beautify that wood. We can help you to project it in such a way that, you know, when you gift it to somebody, they should be more than happy. So you can just see the finishing of the particular engraving that was done on this particular trophy. Next slide, please. This is MDF cutting. So the first one is MDF bow tie. Normally, it's a trend of wearing normal bows, but one of our clients used to make these bows and we used to fabricate it for them. Secondly, I think Shivan sir will agree to this. These are letters for bar, for all events or all the catering things. You can use this signages. Then we have nameplates that we do, and of course the keychains as the super mom. Next slide, please. This is imitation jewelry, wherein we had a client who do imitation jewelry and then they sell it off. So we also were into imitation jewelry. Next slide. These are cake toppers. So as I mentioned that I am in events, but at the same time when you are celebrating any of your function or any of your birthdays or anniversaries, you always tend to cut a cake. And the cake, you have to have a memory. Of course, you do have photograph, but at the same time, if you have something which is similarly, in link with that particular theme, if you can see a cake topper called as Theon, the whole theme of the event was football. So the cake topper is also football shape. So when Theon gets at 5 years old, he will get that memory. Yes, during my first birthday, my mom and dad had that theme of football. Of course, he will see the photographs, but this he will see on his wall. Next is we do different kind of watches, and if you have any logos, we can always do good logos for you as well. This is cloth cutting. So if you want to get into this next slide, if you want to get into fashions and other stuff, next slide. So this is cloth cutting, wherein definitely can give you a precise cut without having that blackiness or without having that fire marks. So this can help you to scale up your production in fashion designing. Next slide. Leather cutting. Yeah, next for the leather cutting. Yeah. So we also deal in leathers. We do leather cutting. We do leather engraving. I believe we have a sir in our midst who deals with a lot of leather. Blender. So you can always connect to each other and we can do this in leathers. Next slide, please. Next slide.
Yes,
we also do cutting. So the first one was for one of our event wherein the whole theme was of Minnie and Mickey Mouse. So we had done a invitation card in the shape of Mickey Mouse. Now, why to do it on laser if we have a punch or something? Normally, people go for punching when the quantity is like thousands. But when you have quantity rates, we can help you to do your cards in a different shape. You need not do a punch for that small size. Then if you require 100 invitation cards and you want to have it in a totally different shape, we can help you out with that. If you want, so the currently two other papers you can see is normally used for cakes and for the sweets during Christmas and Diwali. That kind of paper cutting also can be done at our laser cutting factory. Next slide. This is what I'm talking about when you give a gifting, personalized gifting. So you can see the face of the female. This was a particular gift which was given to HR manager while on her birthday. So this is engraved on MDF. So for all your loved ones, dear ones, today I would say, once it was photographs, then it came digital photographs. Today you can also get yourself engraved on an MDF or on a glass. So this is laser engraving of a face. You can see the detailing of the face. Eyes. You can take a second on this particular slide and please check out the quality of the finishing of the product. This is world map, which was done for a client, a corporate client. The guru was
Julian, your voice is breaking. Hello, Julian. No, Julian.
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes. But you can be little louder if possible.
Yeah. Next slide, please. This was the jeans engraving which was done on that particular machine is Bob Marley. So if you have jeans and if you want to do some trendy look on that particular jeans, we can always help you out. People who are having apparel shops or jean shops can definitely contact us. We can give them 10, 20, 30 jeans, and we can help them with engraving of trendy figures. Next slide. Leather engraving. So this is particularly engraved on a diary. Next slide. This is the Korean material. So normally it is fixed in the temple, a small temple, or of our Hindu brothers. So you can see the finishing of the Korean, and you can see the light that is passing through the Korean. Next slide, please. Of course, these are the grills. Samson sir will definitely agree. These are needed for your interior works, for the corporate as well as residential work. Samson sir, this order was, we are very happy to say that this order had come to us from Wada, and it was around.
I was waiting for you for stainless steel grills also, but you said non-metals. I stopped.
Yeah, we'll do soon.
Tomorrow you have an inquiry for stainless steel. I was waiting, but so,
next slide, please. So when it comes to gift manufacturing, these are the we do a lot of gifts, but these are one or two products. This is the candle stand that we have given for Diwali and Christmas. These are the calendars which we do for our corporate vendors, corporate clients, for them to give to their clients. Next slide. These are the coasters. So this particular coaster with the wheel was made for Mercedes's sister concern, that is Bharat-Benz. So we had given them the coaster of the shape of the tire, which was liked and loved by them. And the other is the card holder. So if you're having such card, you can have that kind of card holder to keep that cards. Next slide. So that was it with me as laser cutting, laser engraving, and gift manufacturing. I'm looking to connect to people from who are internal panel light manufacturer, maybe home bakers, furniture display showroom owners, gift manufacturers, and online business owners. And definitely, if from my side, I require acrylics, I require MDFs, I require at times wood. So anybody who is supplying in that, they can connect to me. I can be a very good connect to them. Anybody into the business of gifts and want to, or in the business of exports and want to develop a kind of gift and want to sell it abroad, we can help you out with all the fabrication, and you can sell it under your name. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I would really like to thank BCBA and the members to attend and to give an opportunity to show around my place. Thank you. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer.
Julian, I have a question.
Yeah.
Nilesh Menej is here. Now, I want to know what is the minimum size that you look at when, say, leather engraving, or say if we give you checkbook holders or something like that. So
there is no. Yeah. Go ahead.
So is there any minimum ordered quantity that you look at?
No, when it goes personalized, I don't look at minimum order quantity. When the product is generalized, I definitely look at MOQ. Okay. So if you say I have launched a product called as slates, acrylic slates, which I had put in our group. So acrylic slates, I am launching it at a very big level, which is generalized, and I'm looking at an export order as well.
Correct.
So in that, I'm looking at MOQ, but at the same time, you can gift your acrylic slate to your, while if there's a birthday, if there is something where you have to really gift it to a child, you can gift it to the child an acrylic slate with her or his face on it. At the same time, if you want to give it as a return gift for your child's birthday, you can engrave your child's name or a face, and then you can give that as well. So that is somewhere we don't look at MOQs. You can give one number, you can give 1,000, you can give in lakhs. That's not a problem.
All right. All right. Okay. Noted. Noted.
This is one more product. It's a keychain of a logo. So if just for a brand reminder, if you require a keychain, we can definitely make keychains of your logos. A small thing, but of course with your precise things in acrylic, wherein you can just give a small brand reminder to your customers. So things are lying around. So as in when I'm finding stuff, I can show you it out.
What is the cost of the keychain logo?
It will depend on the logo.
Logo, your size, this size logo.
This size?
So
it will hardly cost around 20-25 rupees.
And with the keychain round ring, na?
Yeah.
The keychain, huh? Single acrylic,
absolutely. Acrylic, single thing.
Thickness.
We also do dual.
Thickness 4 mm?
3 mm. 3. We can do that as well.
All right. So meanwhile, Julian, by the time members think of coming back with the questions, do you want to update us about your another business as well?
So my major business was Gushing Waters and Popular, which Samson sir has supported me through, as well as I do also have my customers like Chanel sir and many more who have supported me for my Popular business, which was into POP. But subsequently, I have reduced the work because of the labor issue. And my main other job was Gushing Waters, which is my events. Because of Corona thing, events are at the bay, I would say. We used to do a lot of corporate events, majorly, very few wedding and social events. But I was known for my corporate events. But nevertheless, as I used to, the story goes like this. I used to come to develop my gift products for my events in Rajesh's company, Rajesh's factory. And if you see this particular trophy, so I had made this for one of our business community called BNI. So for them, this is my thought process when I should do events for them. But then gradually, while talking to him, he one day told that he wanted to sell it off, and that was the moment when I had purchased the whole factory. So now it has come as a blessings, I would say, because March 1st was the day of my takeover, and I think March 15th or March 22 was the day of lockdown. In lockdown, we did a lot of COVID products. Again, a lot of BCBA members helped us. To name few, we have Emerald Sequoia, who is also helping me to get me to a lot of architects and interiors for my other product called as Prodgear. A Prodgear is a product which is a shield between you and the person sitting in front of you. It's a acrylic shield, which is 6 mm thick, and it is majorly used for Corona and the protection from Corona. So a lot of BCBA members has referred me to a lot of their colleagues, and of course for my face shields, which was one of my products, which is still there with me. So that also we developed during COVID, and we had that particular patch which we survived. And now is the time where we are trying to scale up, and we are trying to try to market it, or trying to be more into the market in this particular forum. But as far as events is concerned, I'm waiting for that particular news when they will say that yes, banquets are open and you can start the events. But until then, it's cut, copy, paste, and of course, post this, it will be cut, copy, paste.
Julian, yes, Stenel, go ahead, please.
Yeah, Julian, just wanted to understand. You have started this cut, copy, paste, which is a very good initiative. But what are your plans? What is your vision you're looking forward for? How you're looking forward to develop this company in next 5 years? Maybe what is exactly your plan?
So that's what I'm saying. I am developing products. So there are some businesses which we try to run on auto mode. So in events, I know that nothing will happen without me. But if I develop good products in cut copy paste, this cut copy paste products itself can go on auto run, wherein I can have my person in place and that thing can roll in and roll out. So I am developing products and rolling them out in the market. So this will go on for a, I'm really banking on this particular company, Cut Copy Paste, for making a lot of products which I can export. Of course, I will get in touch with you for your export clients, and which I can get into big markets. So to be very honest, for these two of my products, I'm also trying to connect myself to DMart and Big Bazaar. If they can help me to keep my products, so I'm trying to see in that angle as well. So when you say cut copy paste, it will be something which is autonomous, which will run an auto mode. The gushing waters, of course, it will be under me and it will go on. And Popular is currently it is at a bay because of the labor issue. That's how it is. It's not that I'm into too many things, but I have right people placed at right businesses to take care of them. So I do follow some philosophies of Tatas and the Ambanis, where they have lot of companies under them, and they are heading them, and they are having right people to take care of those companies. That is what I'm thinking, and that is what my thought process is for next 5 years.
Thank you.
Julian, this is Steven here.
Yeah.
Hi. I just wanted to ask you, like, what is the lead time to get any products delivered, like with this engraving and cutting and all those things? So the kitchen which you have shown, right? For example.
Yes.
So if I want like those kitchens, right? So how many days prior I need to place an order for that?
At least 2 days prior.
Okay.
It will definitely depend on the quantity that you require, but we are committed more than we expect. I know there are some history, but to this new brand, we are totally committed, and timelines and deadlines are on top of our list. We have worked 24 hours for one of our clients, wherein we had to supply 2,000 cake toppers. When I say cake toppers, like this, cake toppers in Nagpur, we had given to Nagpur clients, and we had worked, and the order was they had given only 4 or 5 days. So definitely timelines not a problem. Of course, if there is a quantity, we will definitely update you with the right timelines. But single quantity, 2 days is more than enough.
And Julian, it is very good to know that you thought of a backward integration. I mean, you said you were doing events, but then Abrios were your suppliers, and then you acquired your supplier.
Absolutely.
So very, very good and very nice to hear that. Very proud to hear.
Very technical language. Thank you so much for that. That brief technical language, so that next time when I say I need to practice that particular statement.
Yes. Please.
Acquiring the vendor. Yes.
Yeah.
Perfectly said.
Okay, great.
Acha, Julian, really excellent presentation. Just want to know, these wine shops. We have the Budweiser. We have these, are you into that as well?
Which one?
The Budweiser logo. Have you seen the Budweiser logo?
Yeah. Yes, signages, yes.
The signages, the neon signages.
Yes.
Are you into that as well?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Slow and steadily, I'm increasing my bandwidth. So we have also started the signages, but basic signages. We make normal signages.
Non-lighted right now.
No, lighted as well, but not neon and other stuff. We do lighted as well. We have done but a couple of signages. I'll upload it on the group. So we do house names as well. We also do house names. If you require any house name, we can do it for you. In acrylic, in wood, MDF, we can do it for you.
Okay, that's nice. I could give you one suggestion considering the field I'm from.
Yes.
That is society boards. Society name boards.
Right. We do it.
Yeah, one good marketing concept that you could encourage your marketing team to do is to go around to the societies, like 10-year-old, 15-year-old societies where the names are all knocked off people have sold and moved out, but the names are not put or they are not homologous. Some name is written, some name is engraved. Different types. So you can give a beautifully well presented board. So societies would be a good catchment area for your products.
Absolutely, we have done two such societies such, and for acrylic nameplates, we have already done it, but we're not marketing it at a big level. But of course, in future we will do it.
Whatever new projects are there that I am in touch with, I could share that database with you, so that you could approach them and you can do it.
What is the thickness of the acrylic? Minimum to minimum you cut. Thickness. 1 mm you cut.
Yeah. Maximum we cut around 12
Minimum.
Minimum, anything we can cut. 0.5.
Because if you cut and it doesn't restrain while delivering, it's your delivery loss. So 1 mm you cut. 1 mm means size is 2 inches by 8 feet. 2 inches by 8 feet is imagination size.
Yes, we will cut and we will deliver it to you at your site. Installation will be an issue. Installation will be an issue. First, definitely, as you said, that it will be it may break, but we will take it a guarantee that we will cut and will deliver it to your site. But while installation, you'll have to really take care of it.
Okay.
Julian, are you looking for something very specific today so that all the participants can think of it? म्हणजे असा काही specific company or any corporate or specific person, any specific designation?
So currently, I'm specifically looking at somebody who can help me connect in exports, who deal with gifts and other things. If anybody knows people who are in exports in these two products, I'm really looking for scaling those two products.
Okay. See, Glenn Mascarnis has written on the chat. He'll be in touch with you, so you can just contact him. He is into leather products.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Right.
Because currently I'm talking to somebody in DMart and Big Bazaar, but any big stationeries, Anupam is also something I have already spoken to. But anything, if you feel that it's a big stationery and there some of my products can be showcased, you can definitely help me with that particular contact.
Okay. So we have Gwen from she is a tally service provider, but her father deals in export. Export in the sense those who find it difficult to export their products. So what he does is he purchases them and sell in his name.
Superb. Very good connect.
So, but then he may not have order for you. You have to get that order. But further formalities he will do for you.
Okay.
So you don't have a headache of following all those export norms and other things. So you just sell to him. So for you, it becomes a domestic sale and he will take care of all other formalities.
Okay.
Good. So we'll do, thank you, Julian. Besti will give a Thanksgiving now. Besti.
Yes, Julian, your presentation was really exceptional, and the creative person that I've known you are, always come out with something which always blows our minds.
Thank you.
Ever since I've known you, I am, there is always this positive vibe, which really entices anyone who speaks to you. And so happy to hear about cut, copy, paste. I didn't know that it is so revolutionary. And I am very sure that all our BCBA family is very happy for you, and your success is truly a model and a pattern for all of us to follow. Because right at the outset of the COVID and the pandemic, when people were struggling to figure out what to do, you already come out with a product and you were on it. You were on the go completely.
Thank you.
So that is really amazing, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you for showing us your work and we are very sure that this is just the beginning, something really big for you.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So thank you to all the participants who have asked some really relevant questions. I'm very sure that BCBA will be instrumental in your growth, and we would do our best. And personally, I'm waiting to meet you for this wall behind me. And you already know that we have our, we already have a commitment between us for the event.
Yes, yes.
And you are going to do the vending part as well, the vendor. So that's a great relief for many of us.
Yes.
So
yes, thank you.
Thank you for showing us your work today, and we are all very happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Next meeting, a monthly meeting, which is after 4 years. That's our 4-year completion. We are completing 4 years, that is 10 September 2016. Inauguration by Bishop. And next meeting is 11 September. So we are completing 4 years, 1 day. So we are trying to have more than 100 guests, hardcore networking, and kindly be ready for the individual group networking. This will blow your business to a maximum extent. So next meeting is on 11 September 2020, 6 o'clock p.m. to 7:30, followed by cocktail in your own rooms, followed by dinner in your own house. Thank you. Thank you once again, everyone. And Julian, I will call you in 1 minute. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Samson,
Thank you.
Samson,
Thank you.
what is the theme for next meeting? 4th year meeting. Unlock your BCBA membership. Unlock your BCBA membership. Anniversary 4.0.
Open everything and get maximum network. That is the main criteria, and you will get ton and ton of information. How to go and look out what you want. I don't want everything. I want specific. So you want that specific name. So contact that name and get that business. This is what we achieved.
Thank you. So unlock 4.0 next meeting.
Okay.